My name is Mr. Man, and we are in the Asylum of Disney Stars. We are going to visit a couple today, and here's our first victim person type thing. Okay? Let's have a look.
Hi, I'm Miley Cyrus. Please leave a message while I smoke my weed with P. Diddy. Beep. Shoo.
Miss Cyrus, we'd like to have a word with you.
I'm in my bed right now. Why are you laughing? My daddy, he thinks there's a mansion and we need to live together as a family because we need some family time.
I'm sorry.
Please don't laugh.
I'm sorry, Miss Cyrus,
I
but
can't hang out with my friends no more.
your life sucks. I'm just saying, your TV shows.
Justin Bieber lap dance.
Okay.
Bye.
That was Miley Cyrus, and yeah,
Bye.
she gave Justin Bieber a lap dance.
Bye. Shoo. Shoo.
I can't.